Let's have a look on some phrasal verbs with burn. The first one is burn out and it has two meanings. First one is stop functioning due to overuse, and the second one is become exhausted mentally or physically. And the example is the engine burned out after many years of use. And the second meaning is become exhausted mentally or physically. She burned out from working too many hours. The second phrasal verb with burn is burn up. Burn up. And it has multiple meanings. Feel very angry. And the third meaning is use energy quickly. Use energy quickly. As far as first meaning is concerned, the example is the papers burned up in the fire, destroyed by fire. The second one is feel very angry. He burned up when he heard the bad news. And the third meaning is use energy quickly. The car burns up a lot of fuel on long trips. And the next one is burn down. Burn down. Destroy something completely by fire. The old warehouse burned down last night. And the next one is burn off. Burn off. Burn off means remove by burning or use up energy. As far as first meaning is concerned, remove by burning, use up energy. And the second meaning is use up energy. The forest fire burned off all the dry leaves. And the next one is burn through. Burn through. Burn through means use up quickly. Use up quickly. They burned through their savings in just a few months. Burn to. Burn to. Burn to means desire or long for something strongly. She was burning to meet her favorite singer. And the next one is burn into. Burn into. Burn into means make a lasting impression. Make a lasting impression. The experience burned into his memory. Burn away. Burn away. Burn away means remove gradually by burning. The fire burned away the old papers. Burn off with. And the last one is burn off with. Leave quickly by causing destruction or using up resources. The storm burned off with great force across the town.